What is the deeper lesson of self-love? The deeper lesson is this: self-love is not about perfection, success, or approval. It is about returning to yourself with honesty, kindness, and care. It is about recognizing that your worth is not a question to answer, it is a truth to remember. Healing is not a task to finish, it is a ram to impress. Some days will feel heavy, others light. But if you meet each moment with patience, compassion, and openness, you are already healing. Self-love is not distant or romantic. It is found in daily acts, resting when you are tired, speaking when you need to, forgiving yourself when you fall short, and celebrating yourself when you rise. These moments may feel small, but together they form the realm of a life rooted in peace and clarity.